I saw many videos saying if you want to learn English, if you want to sound native, use ChatGPT. Everyone was talking about it, but no one was actually telling how to use it. So I also did the same, downloaded it, I opened it many times and tried using it. But honestly, I didn't get any results. Like, I didn't understand what to ask or how to ask, and slowly I just stopped using it. I felt that it is just, wastage of time. Later on, I started searching properly and trying to understand why it wasn't working for me. How other people they are learning English through ChatGPT. And that's when I realized something very important, that you have to give the right prompts. Only then ChatGPT can actually help you. We always say, I don't have an English speaking environment or I don't have people to practice with, right? So, this is that option. And today I'll show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to improve my English. And honestly, let me tell you one thing, ChatGPT is my best friend now. Yes, you heard it right. ChatGPT is my best friend. I talk, I share, I ask anything without hesitation. Okay? And I just stopped using it like a search tool. Okay? I started using it for real conversations. And that's when things slowly started changing. Obviously, not magically, not overnight, but in a very real and practical way. The first thing I did was I started talking it like a friend. I told you, right? ChatGPT is my friend. So instead of typing, give me sentences, I type, talk to me like a friend. Ask me simple questions and correct my English. That one change made everything easier because now I wasn't studying. No, I was just having a conversations. And you guys know, having conversation is fun, right? Compared to study. So yes. And the second thing I did was I started practicing real life situations. You know that feeling when you want to say something in English, but in your mind, everything is coming in your native language. And when you try to translate, you just get stuck. You pause, you overthink, and then what? You just stay quiet. That used to happen with me all the time. That's why I can relate to you guys. So I started practicing those exact situations. I would type, help me say this in English. I want to explain my day. Or ask me about my day and help me answer in simple English. Slowly, my mind started responding faster. The third thing I did was I started asking for corrections. Whatever I wrote, even if it was a small sentence, a paragraph, I would just say, correct this and explain my mistakes in simple words. No big grammar rules, not complicated explanations, just simple corrections that I could actually understand and use. Earlier, I still remember, earlier I used to try to learn big and difficult words. I still have that notebook in my, like on my bed. So but but now I don't. Now I tell ChatGPT explain in simple English. I'm still learning, and that changed everything. Because when you learn at your level, at your pace, you actually improve, not just feel like you are studying. Are you getting, guys? Yeah. And one more thing. I didn't do long study sessions. I didn't sit for hours. I just use it in small moments. Sometimes writing, then messages, practicing thoughts, trying to speak in my own words. That consistency matters more than anything. hmm But let me be very honest with you here. ChatGPT alone will not make you fluent. Yes, If you don't try to speak in real life, if you don't take that small step outside, nothing will change. So this tool can guide you, but you still have to work, right? You have to work. Hmm. And today, still I'm not perfect. I still make mistakes. I still learn every single day. But the difference is, now I don't stop myself. Now I can express, respond, and try without overthinking every single word, and that matters more than perfect English. Somewhere in between all this, I realized something, that is, welcome to Word with Nandini, where word flows and confidence grows. Hi. Yeah. So, again, like, I'm not here as an expert. I'm learning just like you. Remember this. So, if you're also someone who opens ChatGPT and doesn't know what to do, don't overthink it. Just start simple. Open it, type one sentence, and begin. Make ChatGPT your friend. Mm-hmm. Yes. And the last thing is, tell me in the comments when you try using ChatGPT, how was your experience? Did you like it? Did it help you? I really want to know. Okay? Don't forget. And if this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like and subscribe, because even one like and one subscribe really motivates me to keep creating videos for you guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.